Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by confirming prerequisites and launching WSL. This gets VS Code communicating with Linux. First, enable WSL2 and the virtual machine platform, then install a distro like Ubuntu and update packages. Once done, install Visual Studio Code on Windows and add the remote WSL extension. Make sure the distro runs. Open a Windows terminal and type WSL to confirm a shell. This establishes the base environment, so VS Code can open folders inside WSL rather than on Windows files. Now you connect VS Code to the running WSL distro and open your project inside Linux. In VS Code, press Ctrl+Shift+P and select Remote WSL. New window. This launches an editor attached to the distro. Next, choose File, Open Folder, and pick the project path under /home or /mnt if accessing Windows files. Install any language or debugger extensions when VS Code prompts. Choose to install them in the WSL remote so tools and runtimes run natively in Linux. This yields correct finish by configuring VS Code to use your WSL environment consistently. Set the integrated terminal default to your distro so terminals open inside Linux and adjust launch. JSON or tasks. JSON to use Linux paths and tools. Run builds and tests in the integrated terminal to validate the setup. If connection issues occur, restart WSL with WSL shutdown, then reopen the remote WSL window. Also update the remote WSL extension and check Windows firewall. These steps resolve most connection inconsistencies quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.